have that many clumps of flour. Do you like little clumps of flour in your waffles? First, prep your pancake mix. Prepping our waffle mix, adding your milk, your eggs, and then I'm gonna also add some vanilla, and then we'll move further on with the rest of the recipe. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I originally thought of this as a Valentine's Day kind of recipe because I feel like chocolate tastes really good. I know not everybody likes chocolate, but chocolate, raspberries. Oh, wait, no, I fumbled. Okay, yeah. Chocolate, raspberries, all that stuff.
8 times 4. Okay, 7 times 4.
Okay, now I'm just mixing. And we'll move on to our next step. Mix until the clumps are gone. So once you get it and all the little clumps are gone, add 1 teaspoon of chocolate powder and a half cup of sugar because it's unsweetened. And then roughly about a half cup of vanilla. What is it called? Vanilla powder? Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. Okay. So I added the vanilla extract, and this is how it looks about right now. Just gotta get some of the clumps. Make sure not to overmix. And then we're gonna add our raspberries. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle in some raspberries. You wanna make sure not to add too much. So that's why I'm only doing a sprinkle, because it can mess up your consistency. Okay. Ooh, this looks good. Now spray. Okay, and then pour on your mixture. Actually, grease your waffle pan and use butter, or you'll end up with this. Okay, pour in your waffle mixture. Whee! Oh, this actually looks kind of satisfying. Okay, I think that's enough. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna cook. You're watching.